We're here to share the morning with you.
Well, we often talk about the importance of having a will on this program, but what we don't normally talk about is what can happen if the will's been poorly or even unfairly written. I'm joined by Andrew Simpson this morning from Maurice Blackburn Lawyers. Hi, Andrew.
Good morning, Karen. Before we do anything, let's examine the facts. The definition of family is changing. In the last decade, de facto relationships grew by 25%. In Australia, that's 1.6 million people aged 18 or over. Same-sex couples have tripled, and 1 in 3 marriages end in divorce. And a third of all new marriages now consist of one person who has been previously married. This means an increase in blended families, which often include children from one or both parents.
Wow, those statistics are a lot higher than I would have expected.
We see it all, Karen, and with so many non-traditional models redefining family in Australia, you can imagine that making a will is not as straightforward as it used to be.
Yeah.
And people can wind up being left out of a will for all kinds of unfair reasons. Maybe a parent remarries, or a loved one suffers from an age-related degenerative disease, or even discrimination based on sexual orientation or religion. If you've been unfairly represented in a will, Maurice Blackburn will work with you to ensure you get your fair share.
But contesting a will could be a very difficult decision to make, though.
It definitely can be, but once that decision is made, our team of expert lawyers will help you understand your rights and entitlements. Disputing a will can be difficult. That's why it's important to see the experts who can resolve your case as discreetly and quickly as possible.
Okay, so walk me through the process. Say you've got a father who remarried before he passed away and you've only just discovered that you've been left out of the will.
We begin with an initial discussion. You need to choose the right lawyer for you, and they need to understand your situation. Now, this consultation is free and designed to help you understand your options. The second step is to agree to proceed. So once you've chosen a lawyer to represent you, a cost estimate is agreed upon. In most cases, Maurice Blackburn work on a no-win, no-fee basis. Then we prepare for your claim. We examine the circumstances, advise you on an outcome and how to act in your best interests with the least amount of stress possible. After that, we negotiate your settlement. Now, most claims will be settled quickly and discreetly without proceeding to court. In fact, 98% of claims are resolved at this stage without the need to go to court.
Yeah, but what if you're unable to negotiate a settlement?
Well, then we contest your claim in court. A minority of claims proceed to court, but if required, we're the experts in this area and we can guide you through the process and help you get the best outcome. 98% of claims can be settled discreetly and without fuss.
Gee, that's good, isn't it? Because nobody wants to drag a dispute out, but why choose Maurice Blackburn?
Well, Maurice Blackburn have been helping everyday Australians fight back against unfair treatment for almost 100 years. We're the experts and we have a proven track record of fighting and winning legal cases. You can rest assured your case will be resolved quickly, discreetly and easily. As the wills experts, you can be sure your case is in safe hands.
Now, you mentioned before a no-win, no-fee.
I did. Now, there was no secret that legal processes can be very expensive.
Yeah.
But at Maurice Blackburn, we're committed to providing justice for everyone, not just those who can afford it. Most of our wills cases act on a no-win, no-fee basis, which means that you only pay our legal fees if you win, making our services affordable for everyone.
Yeah, I think that's so great. But you know what I really get frustrated with is all that legal jargon.
Yeah, look, at Maurice Blackburn, we try and avoid legal jargon. We want to help the client understand our legal advice, make them aware of all options, make them feel confident about the process even before it begins. And remember, the first consultation is free.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? So there's nothing to lose.
And with over 50 offices all over Australia, we really are available to everyone. So you can contact us however you prefer and we'll get back to you within 24 hours on business days.
That's good, isn't it? Now, again, you can contact them on 1800 111 222 or go to mauriceblackburn.com.au/wills. Thank you so much, Andrew, for coming
Karen.
in. 1800 111 222 or mauriceblackburn.com.au/wills.
We're here to share the morning with you.